What's up guys, and welcome to another garage video. Today we're going to be working on adding some options for luggage to my Sportster because carrying a backpack for a long time really sucks. Alright, first up, we got this box from Gasbox. And it's a new sissy bar. And it came with bolts. Alright, so you guys don't just keep spinning this bolt. There's a nut on the back side that is a 1/2 that you have to hold. And you'll also need to pop off this lens cover here. Just like that. In order to get to this bolt, I'm going to need a longer extension. That's kind of neat. So apparently that's what's holding the fender on in the back. Alright, so that's the nut on the back that holds the fender on, so we'll have to make sure we put those back on the same way. Yeah. Look where that nut landed. I just dropped it and it fell right into that rotor right here. That's funny. And then the sissy bar goes right. Onto those holes. We used the new bolts, but the same nuts. I'm going to put just a little tiny bit of Loctite on because Harley. We're going to leave that just kind of snug for now. Needs to go right there. last one. And there you go. You're ready to strap down a bag and go on a road trip. Alright, box number 2. More Revzilla stickers. Add those to the collection there. A handlebar mount for my phone, because Google Maps on long road trips is pretty helpful. Hey, another line dodger. Alright, the bag that I got to go on my sissy bar is the Biltwell EXFIL80. I think it should be a nice big bag, plenty of room for all my stuff. In case you guys haven't seen it before. It's basically just one giant bag. It comes with a shoulder strap to, I guess, carry it into the hotel when you get off the bike. But yeah, one big bag. That's the rain fly down there. One big bag. The orange liner is really nice if you're looking for something and you don't have shop lights. It makes it easier to find stuff. So one big opening, and then the reason I bought it. Oh, I didn't realize that those were. You can put a lock in there. That's nice. The reason that I chose this bag is this front pouch is one thing, super padded, so you can lean on it and it'll be really comfortable to lean on. But tool organizers, so you can have all your sockets, all your wrenches, keep some fuses and smaller stuff into a Velcro bag, and you can take it off and like hand it to a buddy that's having problems. So I'm gonna go grab a blanket or something and just kind of stuff this bag and stick it on the bike and see what it looks like. Alright, so there's the bag on the bike. I just stuffed a comforter in it to kind of give it some shape. But yeah, so basically just one big pocket, lots of the MOLLE straps. You can strap more stuff to it. The roll top does make it kind of water resistant, but in the event that you get caught in a hurricane without somewhere to pull over, it has this rain fly that you just pull out and throw over the whole thing. And there you go. So with that, you should be able to stay good and dry. And then once the rain stops, you get where you're going. Just wad that up. Shove it back into this pocket down here. Now, something I didn't realize about this bag from watching other reviews and stuff, it's got a really hard bottom. Like there's a piece of like cardboard or something in the bottom, so it doesn't actually sit on my fender, it sits on my seat nut there. So I don't know if like the seat nut there is gonna wear a hole in the bottom of the bag. I guess that's worst case scenario, but I guess that's better than the bag rubbing on the fender and scratching up my fender paint. But so anyway, yeah, it's got this nice padding to lean against when you're riding. Your tools open down right there, nice and easy to get to if you do end up broken down on the side of the road. So I wish I had a little bit taller sissy bar. I wish I had one that went up high enough to get this strap under it, but I think if I actually had this loaded down with gear and I actually had it cinched nice and tight, I don't think it would go anywhere. And then it also has this strap up on top that is way bigger than the bag, so you could put like a sleeping bag or a bedroll or something under there. Give you a little more storage space. Alright guys, that's it. That's the Biltwell EXFIL80 bag and the Gasbox bolt-on sissy bar. Yeah, so I can't wait to go on a road trip and test it out now. I think it'll work pretty well. Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.